So this is the EPAuto cabin air filter here, and this is the CP132, and this is for my Toyota Sienna right here. So this is what it looks like. It's this carbon air filter here to keep the air inside your car smelling fresh. So when you turn on the air conditioning or whatever in your car, keep it smelling nice and fresh. So it's really easy to install. Anybody can do this. So it's right here inside your glove compartment. There is, first off, you take off the glove box there, and then it is right here, the panel right in here. Basically just put it here, pull it out, and then there's the old one. You can see all the leaves, dirt and stuff in there, so you do want to get this changed pretty frequently, otherwise it'll start smelling bad. So let's take this outside. And here you can see the difference there. So this one nice and dirty, that one is nice and clean. So we will just pop this one out and then put in the new one. Yeah, so after you take out the old one, you just place the new one in there. It does tell you, make sure you put it in the correct direction of the airflow. So just set that in there, push it in. A little hard to do with one hand, but anyways, just press that in and then you just slide it back in. So yeah, if you need a really nice replacement air filter, cabin air filter, definitely check this one out and give it a try.